Hey, what's going on, guys? Benny Charles, founder of the Teach Me to Fish and Fish Trading Community. Hey, guys, I'm back with the video. I tapped in with RBV on her Forex channel. She shared a phenomenal trading strategy that she back tested, I believe, like over like 12 trades. She only had like one or two loss, something like that. I back tested it. I was like, you know what? I'm going to try it. Even though it is a U.S. bank holiday, I'm going to try it. Now, I did not take the trade live. All right. Just tested it out on TradingView. And you guys can see that profit was hit. So I think that this is going to be one of my go-tos because I'm often up around this time. So I will link her video in the description of this video so you guys can go check it out. But it is a very simple strategy. On the 1 hour chart, you want to put a box over the 12 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time candle. And when you get a 5-minute break of either the high or the low, you're going to shoot for a 20 pip profit, and you're going to put your stop loss 10 pips above the high or low based on the direction that you get the break. So, man, this is another one. You guys go check it out. So, just wanted to tap in and share that with you guys. And I'm going back to bed because it is 3:19 Eastern Standard Time. Time to go back to sleep. All right, guys. I appreciate you. Always remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy put fishing. Bye-bye.